And somebody asked me what I think about the new AI assisted video development. And just for posterity, I am recording on the 17th of February 2023, no, 2024. And as of yesterday, they released this new AI video maker, which is incredibly advanced. You just type in a text and you get what you want. And yeah, there are like minor weird details, minor errors, but it's just basically unmistakable. I mean, you can't really unsee it. And it's just a totally like game changing thing. I also work as an advertiser, and it's incredible how destructive it's going to be for advertising and marketing and video production companies. Because advertising agencies, they're not always these big agencies that manage these like huge ass campaigns for big brands and stuff. Like a lot of work that gets done in the creative sector is actually done by smaller companies and smaller agencies. I'll just give you a very simple example. Imagine there's a big oil company, okay? And every year these companies make this sort of like sales representative meetings, and these meetings are very lavish. It costs thousands of dollars just to maybe organize the event. And I remember they used to have these specific requests, like maybe one video of like the company logo, or just like a solid shot of like a forest, or I don't know, a city or something, but it has to be moving, but it's also solid. This is the background video projection they had it, okay? And then advertising agencies used to do this. They would maybe use stock image. They would pay a stock image website, which in turn would pay a stock image videographer. And then the agency would like produce this and like kind of elaborate on this. And at the end, they would charge the oil company thousands of dollars for this. So now all of this is going to get canceled. It's all going to get done in-house, or they're going to cut out a lot of middlemen. A lot of creative people are going to be unemployed. And it's doubly bad because actually a lot of these creative people who kind of moonlight as like stock video makers or have those like minor careers in production agencies or something, they actually need those jobs to prolong or keep a career as like a pure artist. So a lot of people I know, for example, so it's just going to be awful. So, but it's also inevitable. And I also like fear to like this all happened. AI is in our lives for maybe like what, 3 years. And imagine combining that with those like wraparound Apple Google helmets. And then you could have these dream worlds. People could inhabit dream worlds. I mean, that whole thing in the latest Blade Runner movie with the artificial girlfriend, that's totally gonna happen. Like, she's gonna talk to you, take care of you, have like virtual sex with you. That's totally gonna happen. So it's just really scary. AM10 says, I wonder if AI will be able to predict people's attention the best. I don't know. It probably, like everybody will be able to create their own videos, TV series. Like a company like Netflix may give some guidelines. Let's say if it's in the Star Wars universe, it says let's use these templates. And then the viewers will put on the fucking headset and say, okay, show me a series in which they go to an ice world, or show me the Mandalorian underwater or something, and you're gonna watch that episode right there. And it's gonna be very boring, very soulless. But still, this kind of stuff is gonna like involve a lot of people.